In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up clients in Asana 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system for managing every client, keeping tasks, files, and communication all in one place. Start by choosing the right structure. The simplest setup for most people is to make each client its own project, and every piece of work you do for them a task. This keeps everything contained and easy to scan. Think of a project titled for the client and what you manage for them so you instantly know what lives where. Let's create a dedicated client project. Open Asana, click Create in the top right, choose Project, then pick Blank Project. Give it a clear name, like Client Name 2025 or Client X, Social Media. Select List View for a straightforward spreadsheet-style layout and click Create. A consistent naming convention will make search and reporting much easier later. Inside that project, lay out your workflow with sections. Add sections such as Inbox or New Requests. This week, In Progress, Waiting for Client, Needs Approval, Completed, and Archive. To add a section, click Add Section, type the name, and press Enter. These lanes form your pipeline, making it obvious where each task belongs at any moment. Because client work repeats, build task templates. Click Add Task and name it something like Template, Weekly Report. Add subtasks for the steps you always follow, include custom fields, and write a helpful description so nothing is missed. Then click the three dots and convert it to a template. You can now generate consistent task copies in seconds. Next, centralize client details in the project overview. Open the Overview tab, click Add Project Brief, and drop in the essentials: business info and contacts, links to social profiles, brand assets like logos and guidelines, and any SOPs such as submission rules, request forms, or reporting formats. Add links and images so your team never hunts for resources. To boost clarity, add custom fields. Go to Customize and select Add Field. Useful fields include priority, status, platform, request type, due date, assignee, and whether client approval is needed. These make sorting, filtering, and reporting far more reliable. If collaboration is needed, invite your client. Click Share, enter their email, and set permissions to Can Comment so they can give feedback without changing your setup. They'll only see the project you share. Managing many clients, create a portfolio. Go to Portfolios, click New Portfolio, name it something like Client Management 2025, and add all client projects. You'll get one dashboard for status, progress, deadlines, workload, and approvals. You can also accept requests via forms. Open the client project, click Customize, scroll to Forms, and add form with fields like title, description, file upload, and type of request. Share the link, and each submission becomes a task automatically. Finally, add automation rules. Open the project, click Customize, go to Rules, and create helpful triggers like sending new form submissions to Inbox, moving approved tasks to completed, assigning work as due dates approach, or notifying clients when feedback is needed. That's your complete client setup in Asana for 2025, organized, repeatable, and built to scale.